Hey guys, it's your girl Leslie and welcome to my channel. So hey guys, it's been probably a day or two since I posted a new video. This video is not going to be important, you guys might not care at all. It's a big shrug for me, but today I'm going to go ahead and clean Yuki's small little tank. It's going to be simple, it's going to be quick and easy, but before I do that, I want to show you what I did to this bear I got like from Family Dollar, I believe, or Dollar General. So I got this bear from Dollar General. Look how cute he is. Probably going to name him soon. I forgot what I named him. I got to rename him again, I guess. But I glued these two cute little things, and I redid his tie a little bit because it looked a little bland. I'll let you guys know his name, like right over there. But yeah, this is what he looks like. It's a cute little, he's simple, but I added a little bit more decorations to make him more like the type of bear I would get. But yeah, he's a cutie patootie. Okay, let's get straight into this cleaning process. If you guys don't know, this is Yuki's tank. I haven't cleaned it a little bit because there was like a water filter clean the water whatnot. But I need to clean the tank because look how nasty that is, and this needs to be overfilled. So, yeah, obviously you have to unplug the water filter before you take it out, and I did. And put it to the side, you know, safely, you know, not messing with it too much. Now we can take out the top safely and peer inside. Nice. Now let's carefully scoop them out with this. Not this, like something smaller to obviously scoop them out safely, and then put him here with his water before you even start touching and cleaning this baby. I've officially taken them out and put him in the cup with his water. Now we can take this out and go over there, head to the bathroom and start getting this set up and clean. Bloom with this part, but you also need a brush of some sort, even though I mostly use my hands, but a brush. It's just easier for it to clean. The thing is here, take out the decoration, put it right beside, take the water out, then put all the rocks into this bucket right here, and with a little bit of soap. This dishwashing soap. Yes. And start the water. Okay, so I just emptied this out. And I put it in here, don't worry, the rocks are in there, with a little bit of soap, and left it in water, kind of let it get itself, you know, into there for a little bit.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone to turn the mind. I want something to talk to, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
Baby shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing lately. Ever since you started hating, I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy haze. journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause space makes me sad. 'Cause
Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed me basically just doing a simple video of me cleaning Yuki's tank. Also showing you my new flower teddy. So yeah, I don't know if I told you already guys this, but I am the one who did attach the flowers and the green stuff on it. But yeah, I attached those and of course made sure they weren't like poky in the back because I cut that shit down to 100. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing videos. Yuki, I know he's thankful for it because he loves his tank being nice, cool, and squeaky clean. I already did Godzilla's, and I didn't record that though because that does take like about half an hour to clean his tank, and it only takes about 10 minutes to clean Yuki's tank, and then for waiting for his water, plus 20 minutes to an hour. So yeah, I was just chilling out editing this video while literally I was waiting for the weather to I know, but it makes everything easier for me. But anyways, I gotta go for now, guys. I'll see you soon in the next amazing video. Bye and peace for now.